Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can clear the space in the WhatsApp application. For that, first of all, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile. Then you will find three dots at the right top corner. Click on three dots. Then click on Settings. Under Setting, you'll find an option called Storage and Data. Click on Storage and Data. And here you'll find an option called Manage Storage. Here you will find all the photos and videos which are in the WhatsApp. See, my mobile has 1.7 gigabytes out of 194 gigabytes on my mobile. Here you will find all photos and videos which are stored in WhatsApp on your mobile. I have just opened the photos, and here you can select individual photos or delete, or you can use the option called Select All and can delete all the photos in a single go. Let me go back, and you can click on the videos, and here you can select everything, or you can use this filter and choose the largest as the option, and you can delete all the large files in a single go. Let me go back. Here you can scroll down and can select according to contact-wise. If you choose a contact, you will find all photos and videos sent by that user. Clear if you don't want. In this way, you can free up storage on WhatsApp. If you like this video, comment helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.